Maybe the butterfly is proof that you can go through a great deal of darkness and still become something. Never lose your hope. The butterfly is proof that beauty can emerge from something completely falling apart. In this world, everything changes. If nothing changed, there would be no such a beautiful butterflies. The butterfly count not month but moment and has enough time. Believe in your own wings. Sometimes we have to lose something precious in order to gain something priceless. Don't look back with regret, but look forward with hope. Take a lesson from the next butterfly you meet. Change is a hard process, but what's waiting on the other side is beautiful. Difficult is not impossible. It simply means you must fly harder. May the wind of life always carry you toward your goals and dreams. Like a butterfly evolving, we must love each stage we pass through. Be not judgmental of yourself. You are becoming a wondrous butterfly. When life gets turned upside down, never lose your faith. It will all work out to the end. At last, guys, I want to tell you Never lose your hope. Believe in yourself. Believe in your own power. Believe in your own potential. Never lose your hope. Everything is possible. Fulfill your all dream because where there is a will, there is a way.